Hello, this is the PS4 controller. We're gonna do is to disable and removing all the parts. We're gonna remove from this fourth screw at the back of the PS4 controller. Now all the screws are removed from the PS4 controller. Remove the back cover of the controller of the PS4, but smoothly pull it because there are some flex attached on it. Just remove it correctly and slowly, that you cannot damage the ribbon flex, and just like this, and put it aside that you cannot miss it when you're done. Pull the battery from the PCB and the plastic. Also remove the screw from this side. Remove the flex ribbon from this side. Remove the PC board from the controller, but let it slightly that you cannot damage it. Just like this. Now we are done removing all the parts from board of the controller, and this is the jd-040 conductive film PS4 controller.